Now we're going to look at Adobe Illustrator's eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool is located down here. It's a little eyedropper. You can get to it also just by hitting I on your keyboard. There it is. Basically how it works is if you select an object or a piece of type and then get to your eyedropper tool, you can apply whatever you click on with your eyedropper tool, and it will apply the same attributes. So I'm showing you an example of type. I'll do Command Z. If you just wanted to apply the color as an eyedropper tool, hold down the Shift and then click on that and it just applies the color. Let's look at it with an object. So let's create 2 circles. And let's apply purple to one. You select the black circle, get to your eyedropper tool, touch it, and it applies the same color. So if you double click on the eyedropper tool, you can unselect certain attributes that the eyedropper is going to pick up and apply to your selected item. If you are interested in this tool, I'd encourage you to play around with the settings. Otherwise, if you just keep it in its default state, it can be very useful when you're designing something and you need to apply attributes and you don't want to have to highlight them and go into all these settings. You can simply use your eyedropper. And that is the eyedropper tool.